We're now in the section of this particular course about content reuse and also creating AutoCAD blocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to make blocks of objects that represent objects, if you see where I'm coming from. So for example, we've got objects here that represent windows. We've got objects here that represent doors. What we're going to do is join all those objects together to make one object, such as a door, a window, a table, a desk, and so on. Now, this is more of a cataloguing exercise. What we're doing here is we're going to place the objects we want to make into blocks onto the layer 0, the default layer. Now, if you place objects on layer 0 and then make a block of them, when you bring the block into the drawing and content reuse, you will put those blocks always onto the current drafting layer. The block will know that it's been created on layer 0. So it will say to itself when it's inserted in the drawing, right, I must go on the current layer. So we've already got some blocks in the drawing. The computer is a block, the desk there is a block, the chair is a block. Notice though, this is an object that looks like a block. It's not though, it's a polyline. There's some objects there as well that make up a telephone, but they're not a block either. We'll cover those later. Notice they're black on layer 0 already. The windows we can very easily convert. That is also just a polyline. That would need to go on layer 0. The photocopier is already a block. That table will also need to become a block. So all we're going to do is select the objects that need to go on layer 0. So that polyline needs to go on layer 0. So I select it, click on the down arrow, scroll up the list here and select 0, like so. Hit escape there and you can see that's changed colour. It's gone black now. Okay, that also needs to be on layer 0. Now the good thing is I can select multiple objects. Let's just go around and select everything. Let's select all the windows. I can use a crossing selection there, left click, drag through, left click, selects all the objects that make up that window. Let's do this window here, left click, drag through, left click. Make sure you only select the objects that you want to go onto layer 0. Table there, table there, table there, door line there, and also door arc there. These also need to be made into blocks. At the moment they're rectangles. 1, 2. So they also need to go onto layer 0. Notice on the layer pull down, because we've got multiple layers, it's not displaying anything. So I click on the down arrow, scroll up to the top there, layer 0, hit escape now, and you can see they're all black on the white background there, and you can see that they are ready to be made into blocks. So make sure, as a preparation cataloguing exercise, anything that needs to be made into a block is on the layer 0.